What's up, YTV? You're listening to DJY, and I'm back with another episode. You know that legendary Suge Knight called into the $1 million worth of game broadcast straight from prison. He had really dope conversation with Wello and Gilly the Kid. He was talking about Tupac early days of Death Row Records, and he called Wack100 truck driver. He also stated that Wack is fake gangster. So on the screen you're watching Wack100 respond. He said, "I tell the world my hustle started in a truck. Come again, man." So this is what it is. We have respond by Suge Knight Jr., son of legendary Suge, where he said Suge Knight changed the industry forever. The only people who feel some type of way are the ones who got exposed for being lame. Funny, some expose themselves for being emotional. So guys, what you think, how you feel this situation? Do you agree to Suge Knight Jr. or not? Just tell me in comment section, man. The fans saying that Suge is real.
Was Wack anything more than that?
I mean, Wack100 truck, I think it's great he got his platform to get some bread for his family, but enjoy your family. All this extra shit, arguing with everybody, speaking on politics you know nothing about.
Guys, please tell me honestly what you think. Do you agree to legendary Suge Knight about Wack100? Literally, we already knew that Wack was truck driver in his early days. This isn't something new or something special, but I think that Suge Knight really knows something more, bro. This is without doubt, without saying. Even on the screen you're watching a legendary picture of Wack and Suge. Literally, it seems that they had a very close relationship, and what happened between them, I really don't know, man. I'm sure that their beef don't go too far, man. I think they have no time for beefing, man. Especially Suge Knight, bro. He has some problems. Wack is doing some major things in hip-hop. It's too boring, man. For me, honestly, it's too boring. We need less drama, free Suge Knight, in case he did some major bad things. This man is legend, man. We want Suge Knight back, bro. This is what it is. Before I will finish the video, guys, I have some crazy news for you. We have new music video premiere, bro. Trill MAFIA in the building, man. No one doesn't have a song with a Georgian artist and Spanish artist together on the same track, man. It really sounds crazy, bro. It really sounds crazy. These guys, Purple is from Georgia, 18 Bane is from Santa Clarita, King P is from Monterrey, Mexico, and they have now all come together under Trill MAFIA Records based in LA, man. And the person who shot the music video is known as a Shot by Rob Banks, man. He's also their manager, man. These guys are too dope, bro. This video is crazy. The production is on another level. Literally everyone did their best, man. These guys are true talents. Big shout out to Trill MAFIA. If you are a true fan of hip-hop, real hip-hop, you just support to their music, man. Big shout out to Rob Banks for making some dope content, bro. These guys are true talents. So this is what it is. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptv.com. Thanks for watching. Peace.
If that money call, I'm speeding to the bank. The shawty want me all up in her face. We only fucking out.
El rey de Monterrey.